Isachini sa Tanggol Brothers, so Imchung Tribal Council, Imchung Tribe, Brotherhood, Median Sichi, Achingawi Naga Kiawa, Aji American Tanggol Brothers, or Imchung Tribe. We have our own history to Aji American Brotherhood and Friendship Panalaga, we declared Reso, I'll read out. The Tanggol Naga Long and Imchung Tribal Council, Friendship and Brotherhood. The Tanggol Naga and Imchung Tribe share a long-standing bond of friendship and brotherhood, rooted in historical ties and notable similarities in language and tradition. In recognition of this enduring relationship, the two tribal bodies, the Tanggol Naga Long and the Imchung Tribal Council, have arrived at a mutual understanding to foster peace, unity, and to further strengthen the cultural values between the two communities for posterity through the celebration of the Tsungamnyo Mini Hornbill Festival held on 16 January 2026 at Chamorro Town. The two communities envisions the following: the two tribe bodies, Tanggol Naga Long and YDC, shall initiate and work in tandem for peaceful coexistence in possessing mutual respect and understanding the two communities both within and across the borders. Both tribal bodies shall mutually respect and uphold each other's tribal interests, integrity, and shall stand by and protect each other under all circumstances. The message of friendship and brotherhood between the two communities shall be disseminated to all areas, villages, and individuals in order to foster unity and harmonious coexistence. In the event of any future dispute arising between individuals or communities, both tribes shall jointly address and resolve such issues through mutual dialogue and understanding. Such initiatives aimed at promoting unity and cooperating among Naga tribe should be encouraged across all Naga inhabited areas to protect, preserve, and uphold the uniqueness of Naga history and culture. A mutual agreement to organize cultural exchange program and friendship brotherhood meets once every 5 years. Trongso Imchung President, Imchung Tribal Council, Headquarters Chamorro, and Short Wasun President, Tanggol Naga Long Ukrul Headquarters.